Guys, today we are going to look on how to know our subscribers. When you go to your YouTube, you will see that you see your subscriber, but you don't know who is following you. So today, we will go to your YouTube studio. When you go to your YouTube studio, you can see your subscribers. You can see them, but when you click on it, it cannot view for you to see your subscribers. So what you are going to do is to go back and go to any Google you like. If it's Chrome, anyone you prefer to use, you click on it, you type youtube.studio.desktop.com. When you click on YouTube Studio.desktop.com, you wait for it to load. When you, after typing it, you click on it and it will load. Then when it loads, what you have to make sure you write youtubestudio.desktop.com. Make sure it's that one. When you pop up like this, you click on YouTube Studio. Then when you click on YouTube Studio, you wait and it will pop up like this. And you pop up like this, you have to click on what? Continue to studio. Don't go to get the app, because if you click get the app, it will automatically take you to the other one. But when you click on continue with studio, it will automatically take you to your normal studio. So as you continue to listen, remember to like, share and subscribe. This is your YouTube Studio app, your dashboard. So from this dashboard, this is place where you can see your subscribers and you see the date on the day they subscribe to your channel. So when you scroll up, you see recent subscribers. You click on that. When you click on that, there you can see your subscribers, the days they subscribe to your channel, and every other thing you want to know about it. So this is how to check your subscribers and know your subscribers. So thank you for listening. If there any question, please drop it on the comment section. Remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.